We start with New York's finest water. Its purity and unique chemistry are critical to achieving the perfect bagel texture.
This is the gluten window test. We stretch the dough thin enough to be translucent, ensuring the structure is strong before shaping.
This traditional hand-shaping technique is crucial. The rhythmic rolling develops a smooth, tight dough ball, ensuring the proper bagel structure.
Here we see the secondary fermentation. Yeast activity develops the texture, a critical step that differentiates bagels from other bread.
This alkaline solution is key. It immediately begins transforming the water chemistry, ensuring that distinctive crust and color development.
This is the moment the magic happens.
Flipping the bagels ensures they boil evenly on both sides. This traditional method is essential for uniform crust development and consistent texture. Gelatinized starch creates shiny crust. Unlike some methods, we rely on the wet boiled surface itself. This moisture ensures the seeds adhere firmly without the need for eggs or washes. The intense heat of the traditional deck oven, reaching 500 degrees, is the secret to the perfect New York bagel bottom crust texture. This traditional technique ensures the perfect crust forms instantly as the dough meets the searing heat of the oven stone. The intense heat triggers the oven spring, a rapid CO2 expansion that dramatically increases the bagel's volume in the first minutes of baking.
Baked at high temperatures, we witness the Maillard reaction in action. The seeds brown and crisp, creating that unmistakable toasted flavor.
New York style, hand-shaped, boiled, and stone-baked.
With very low levels of calcium and magnesium, this soft water permits the gluten network to form without interference.
It's the boiling that seals the exterior, the high-gluten flour creating the chew, and the stone baking that develops this perfect crust. This tactile test highlights how high-gluten flour and boiling create superior texture retention and chewiness in the authentic bagel. Submerged in water, the gelatinized exterior of the traditional bagel holds firm, while the untreated commercial bagel rapidly breaks apart. The journey begins here. Fresh dough is mixed, shaped by hand, then kettle boiled before heading straight into the deck oven. The key to a perfect bagel slice is the horizontal cut, maximizing surface area for the cream cheese. Controlled heat application creates the perfect textural contrast, developing a crispy interior while maintaining the chewy exterior crust.
And here we have the classic preparation. A generous schmar of cream cheese spread smoothly over the toasted bagel half.
Notice the engineering at work. The sturdy bagel structure, perfected through boiling and baking, effortlessly supports
Sesame or the everything bagel right here?
2 sesame seeds, please.
All right, that's $9.50.
More than just bread, the humble bagel remains an integral part of New York City's cultural fabric, connecting daily life to urban tradition.
This elastic matrix is why the water is so critical. It allows the gluten network to develop fully.
Heat causes the starch granules to absorb water and form a gel, creating the bagel's characteristic shiny sealed crust.
The high-temperature baking process drives the interior moisture to an optimal level, scientifically standardized between 38 and 42%.
From the initial mix to the final golden bake, these traditional methods guarantee an irreplaceable quality.
The authentic New York bagel, a craft tradition embedded in the city's identity. From this steam rises a unique
The process is a symphony of science and skill, combining simple ingredients into a living cultural tradition.